Hi, April here, aka Gypsy Girl. So I wanted to further clarify my math, which is still correct. Um, I've come to these conclusions via all the things I know. No one told me this, and I know I'm pretty dang sure I'm correct because I've obsessively researched it. I have gone through 2 years of college math. So probably 3 years. So I'm not a ditz, and I've aced that math. So let's go over my analysis from the other day. This is, in fact, a straight line of 180 degrees by 360 degrees. This creates a geodesic plane, okay? This is a geodesic plane according to non-Euclidean math, which is not true and not proven, okay? However, the coordinates of this being just like this, is in fact Euclidean math and is proven and is the correct math to use for geography. How do we know this? Let's just take a little bit of information we know from the Freemasons, okay? Okay, these two angles right there. They're measuring angles, and they're measuring the circles that the sun makes from the equator, drawing around the topography of the geography. Why does non-Euclidean physics math not work with our geography? Brilliant freaking question. Non-Euclidean math is very good for measuring our universes because our universes are shaped like this. Okay? These are magnets. These are my kids. So I want to show you that this represents the line of 180, according to what some people have said, that they're trying to measure geography with non-Euclidean math. This cannot be the 180, but on non-Euclidean math, but it can be the 180 on Euclidean math, which is what you measure geography with. But it cannot be the 180 line on our geography, okay? So let's just play with this for a second. I highly recommend you look up electric universe. Between these magnets and our Earth is made of metal mostly, a lot of metal, a lot of metal. And it is a magnet. And it will, on a axis point, it will create a field between it. This field's like our air, and then this would be another sphere that goes around, such as the sun, or perhaps the moon's rotation, or perhaps the whole celestial field is here, okay? The reason that you can't properly measure geography, but you measure universes, is because this is 360 by 180. This 360 by 180. It doesn't matter. These are slices in a sphere. As far as non-Euclidean math, this is a sphere. This is a sphere. Let me show you why for geography we must use Euclidean math, okay? The Valurian man, whatever his name is, But he's the guy in the box. Okay, can you see there? Really, the angles that you're measuring for a circle are really the angles on this square, which are 490-degree angles. Okay, and they equal 360 degrees. 90-degree angles right there. Okay. Your circle will hit these tangent lines here, here, and here to create a perfect circle. Okay. Now, to get a three-dimensional object, we would go up, we would create a three-dimensional object. Okay? And this sphere, this circle, the sphere now, inside of here still would have to match every single tangent line on plotted. Okay? Therefore, it must be 360 degrees by 360 degrees in Euclidean math. Slam dunk, honey. This is our Earth. It's a geodesic plane. They have created non-Euclidean math, and they are confusing us all who have not gone through up to master's level math. You need to be well into your 50s before you can basically understand this if you're not advanced and not obsessed like I am. I hope that I help you. This is not a solo triumph without the help of everyone else. I would not have been able to have put this together. And I'm just so thankful to be part of this. It seems so much bigger than me, and that's why I'm doing it. So, bye.